it's me again. It's Olena of popthepimple.com and welcome to my 8th day of creating a meditation habit month. And I'm just gonna wait for some of you to pop on, but it seems like nobody's meditating with me today. I'm a bit headachy today, so I feel like this meditation is gonna be very good. But I did start my day with the breathing exercise that I mentioned in yesterday's meditation video. So if you want to know about that breathing exercise, go check it out in the previous video. So get into a comfortable position and decide whether today you're going to be receptive with your energy, with your palms up, or grounded with your energy. And me, I feel like every day I'm very receptive. I almost feel like I should be grounding myself, but you know what? I will continue with the receptive energy and I'll put my hands up on my knees. Meditation about to begin, if you're comfortable. This will be the sound that you're going to hear at the end of the meditation. I love it. It sounds so loud and epic. Okay, so let's just do a few in-breaths where you just inhale, hold, and exhale. So all right, I'm going to press start on the meditation timer now. So you can close your eyes and begin the meditation. The timer will sound like this once again when the meditation is over. So close your eyes and we're going to meditate. On 1, 2, 3. Okay, it started. that was very, very lovely. Iman asks, is this a breathing exercise? This was just a meditation. I've been doing it every day this month. So far, this is day 9, so 9 days in a row of meditation, because I'm trying to create a meditation habit for myself. I want to be able to meditate every single day. And the more I do it, the easier it is and the more enjoyable it is. And today I was actually more still than ever before in my mind. So that was very nice. And I like how time and the sensations of my body kind of melted away. For instance, I have a headache right now. And funny enough, during the meditation, the headache was gone. But now that I'm talking about it, it's back. I'm just dehydrated, so I've been drinking lots and lots and lots of water in order to feel much better again. But yeah, this was a lovely meditation. Thank you for joining me. And join me again tomorrow at 3 p.m. Paris time if you want to meditate with me. Because I'm doing this every single day in June, and I'm taking you on this meditation journey with me because it is so highly beneficial. And if you want more information on meditation, I have a long video about meditating. Lots and lots of videos. And if you need help with clear skin, which is really what my whole channel and social media and my blog and my life's work is about, then you can also go to popthepimple.com/28 and sign up for my best 28 hacks for clear skin. Because those are amazing. I just got the most amazing letter actually today from somebody who completed the 28 days of clear skin, telling me, telling me about her experience. And she actually wrote to me a few times during the hacks with really positive feedback. So I'm very, very, very happy that these 28 days of clear skin have been impacting people in a really positive way. And the feedback I've been getting has been tremendous. So thank you for that. Join me tomorrow at 3 p.m. Paris time if you want to meditate. Okay, thank you. This was Olena of popthepimple.com. Bye.